Are you dreaming of boosting your income, gaining more flexibility, or perhaps even laying the groundwork for your next big venture? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's dynamic world, the opportunities to earn extra money from the comfort of your own home are more abundant than ever. If you're new here, my goal is to break down money, investing, and side hustles in simple terms so you can take action today. If that sounds like your kind of content, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I post weekly videos to help you grow wealth in simple steps. We're talking about side hustles that are genuinely easy to start, require minimal upfront investment, and can be seamlessly integrated into your existing schedule. Forget the complex business plans and massive capital. We're focusing on practical, accessible ways to start generating income right now, looking ahead to 2025. Let's dive into 10 fantastic options that could change your financial landscape. Do you have a knack for words? Freelance writing is a timeless side hustle that continues to thrive. Businesses constantly need fresh content for their blogs, websites, and marketing materials. You can write articles, blog posts, website copy, or even social media captions. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger Job Board are excellent starting points. You don't need a fancy degree, just a good grasp of grammar and the ability to communicate clearly. Start building a portfolio with a few sample pieces, and you'll be surprised how quickly you can land your first client. Many entrepreneurs and small businesses are overwhelmed with administrative tasks. This is where a virtual assistant, or VA, steps in. As a VA, you can offer a wide range of services from your home office. Think email management, scheduling appointments, data entry, or even basic social media scheduling. The beauty of being a VA is its flexibility and the low barrier to entry. You likely already possess many of the necessary organizational and communication skills. Market your services through professional networks or specialized VA platforms, and you'll find a steady demand for your support. If you have expertise in a particular subject, whether it's math, a foreign language, or even a specific software program, online tutoring is a fantastic way to monetize your knowledge. The demand for personalized learning experiences continues to grow. You can connect with students of all ages from around the globe. Platforms like Chegg Tutors, Schooly, or even setting up your own simple website can get you started. You're not just teaching, you're empowering others, and that's incredibly rewarding. Share your passion and get paid for it. Are you always up to date with the latest social media trends? Businesses, especially small ones, often struggle to maintain a consistent and engaging online presence. This creates a huge opportunity for you to step in as a social media manager. You can help them craft posts, schedule content, and interact with their audience. This role requires creativity, an understanding of different platforms, and good communication skills. You can start by offering your services to local businesses or building a portfolio with personal projects. It's a fun and dynamic way to earn income from home. For those with a keen eye for detail and a strong command of language, proofreading and editing can be a perfect fit. Writers, students, and businesses often need a second pair of eyes to catch errors and refine their text. This side hustle allows you to work independently and set your own hours. You can find opportunities on freelance platforms or by directly reaching out to potential clients. A good proofreader is invaluable, ensuring clarity and professionalism in written communication. It's a quiet, focused way to earn money using your linguistic precision. Transcription involves converting audio or video recordings into written text. This service is in high demand across various industries, including medical, legal, and general business. If you have good listening skills and can type accurately and quickly, this could be an ideal home-based side hustle for you. Many companies offer flexible transcription jobs that you can do on your own schedule. Platforms like Rev or Transcribe.me are popular starting points. It's a straightforward task that requires focus but offers great flexibility. Dropshipping allows you to run an e-commerce store without ever holding any inventory. When a customer buys a product from your online store, you simply purchase it from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for a warehouse or managing stock. While it requires some initial setup for your online store and marketing, the operational side is incredibly streamlined. You can focus on finding trending products and connecting with customers. It's a fantastic way to dip your toes into e-commerce with minimal risk. Similar to dropshipping, print on demand lets you sell custom-designed products without managing inventory. You create unique designs for items like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or posters. When a customer places an order, a third-party printing company produces the item and ships it directly. Platforms like Shopify with integrations like Printful or Printify make it incredibly easy to set up. Your main focus is on creating appealing designs and marketing your store. It's a creative outlet that can generate passive income once your designs are live. Do you have a skill or knowledge that others would pay to learn? Creating and selling an online course is an excellent way to leverage your expertise. Whether it's cooking, coding, playing an instrument, or mastering a specific software, you can package your knowledge into a digital product. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Udemy provide the tools to build and host your course. Once created, your course can generate passive income for years to come. It's about sharing your passion and helping others grow, all from your home. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services of other companies. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. This can be done through a blog, a YouTube channel, social media, or even an email newsletter. The key is to promote products you genuinely believe in and that resonate with your audience. You don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. Your role is to connect potential buyers with valuable solutions. It's a powerful way to earn income by building trust and providing recommendations. There you have it. 10 incredibly accessible and easy side hustles you can start from home in 2025. Each of these offers a unique path to earning extra income, gaining new skills, and building something of your own. The beauty is that you don't need to quit your day job or invest a fortune to get started. The most important step is simply to begin. Choose one that sparks your interest, do a little more research, and take that first small action. Whether it's setting up a profile on a freelance platform, brainstorming your first course idea, or designing a t-shirt, every journey starts with a single step. Your financial freedom and entrepreneurial dreams are within reach. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe. I post weekly finance videos to help you grow wealth in simple steps. And drop a comment. Which side hustle are you looking to get started with?